Do any of you know what creatine is?
No.
I don't. Not really.
Do you know someone interested in supplementing with creatine?
Yeah, I've heard of some people.
Okay. Creatine is a somewhat controversial supplement used by athletes. So I just want to introduce to you the benefits of creatine. Alright. What is creatine? Creatine is an amino acid. Our body has a supply of it already in the form of phosphocreatine. We'll say PC to keep it short. Now, during short bursts of activity or exercise, your body breaks down phosphocreatine into phosphate and creatine to supply adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Now, the first point I'd like to make is resynthesis of phosphocreatine. Normal turnover of PC is 2 grams a day for the average person. Loading phase, like the person who supplements with creatine supplements with one loading phase, which is 20 grams a day for 1 week, followed by a maintenance phase of 5 to 15 grams every day for 2 to 3 months. The supplementation will increase the body's creatine levels by 10 to 25%. This will allow your body to have a ready supply of phosphocreatine. Examples of studies done with this would be from Memphis University. Now, they conducted an experiment. They had an experimental group and a placebo group. 1 week of load followed by 3 months of maintenance. The experimental group had a 5 to 15% increase in performance of activities such as sprints, vertical jump, bench, and squats. Another example of this would be by Baylor University. Similar study, similar loading phases and maintenance phases. An experimental group, they showed a significant increase in bench and squat, as well as the maximum isometric knee extension strength, which is just when your body lowers and your knees form a 90-degree angle or lower. It allows it to be stronger. Now, now that you know the resynthesis of phosphocreatine, allows me to introduce my second point, which is enhanced metabolic efficiency. It allows the body, supplementation with creatine allows the body to resupply ATP levels, which in turn lets the athlete perform an activity for an extended period of time at an increased pace. Now, this increases the metabolism of the body, which burns away and allows for a shed of unwanted weight. Examples would be, again, by Baylor University. They had an experiment with 22 swimmers. The body comp of the 22 swimmers was the main focus. Now, half the swimmers was given placebo, while the other half was given the creatine supplement. They had a loading phase of 4 days instead of the regular 7, followed with 2 months instead of 3 months of maintenance. Swimmers who took the creatine had improved on their interval sets, as well as they had a small percentage of body fat reduction compared to the placebo group. Now, enhanced metabolic efficiency runs into my third main point, which would be lean body mass. Lean body mass is affected by creatine because it leads to promoted gains of water retention in your cells. Now, it just means cells have more water, they hold more water, they're hydrated, they perform better with the increased amount of water. They also have an increased efficiency of protein synthesis, thus leading to gains in mass while a reduction in body fat. Examples would be from Memphis again. They had short-term creatine supplementation with college football players in the off-season. Showed the football players giving the creatine showed a two and a half to 3.5 pound increase of weight of lean body mass compared to those not given, the group not given the creatine. So, just to review, 3 main points of supplementing with creatine would be resynthesis of phosphocreatine, which leads into the enhanced metabolic efficiency, which in turn leads to a lean body mass. Now, supplementation with this is somewhat controversial in the world with athletes, but this will allow you to know the benefits in the person you know interested in supplementing.